SP19 experience exhibit. So, we went to the concert last week and I wasn't able to vlog. So, we're bringing her here kasi hindi kami nakapag-date. Nag-day 1 lang kami. Ayan yung Twilight. Kaya Edward to doon.
What happened?
What happened, Bella? So, the ticket, pwede ka bumili dito. You can buy here. Ito ka na bumili. Hindi naman siya sold out, pero may mga oras. Can't tell them what happened, but hindi tayo nakabili online. And ano yung tip dapat?
Nag-fail. Like you're going to buy online, it has to be, I think, 3 days ahead.
Yes, kasi
You can't buy same day.
yeah, you can't buy same day. So we'll see. Hopefully it's a good experience. I know dito rin before si BTS eh. Kasi yung mga workmate ko before, they did naman si BTS here. Pero sama lang ako lang dito. The ticket is for, I don't know, the total was 2,140 for the both of us. Guys, ngayon lang ako nag-gateway. Ang ganda na pala ng gateway, no? Ang dami ng restaurants. Ang bago na talaga siya, pero ang dami pa rin tao. Siya kasi nakapag-gateway niya siya before. Ako ngayon lang. So, ang ganda ng gateway. Okay. Ang dami restaurants. There's a VR experience. So, tatry natin yan later. Ayan. Actually guys, maliit lang naman yung lugar. It's kind of small, pero we'll see. Umiikot na si Jamie kanina dito. So, mostly parang they're just telling their story here. I think this is in Benguet. Ang ganda ng lugar. You know who I like the most? I like him the most and also him. Grabe, when we saw them perform, sobrang galing. I'm not a fan, pero grabe talaga. Ayun, this one is in. This is Pablo. Siya talaga yung gusto ko dito. I think he's the leader too. This one naman is Justin. So Justin is also, I think we went to the same college. He's from Benilden, but he took MMA if I'm not mistaken. So yeah, he's very artistic, very good with graphics. Grabe. The Wise here, art by Mario Binongko. This one's Justin, and this one is, sorry, who's this? Josh, yeah. It's Josh. This one naman is the story of Dam. Ang galing kasi this is not all about them talaga. Laging included yung mga people that they work with, yung staff. These are the costumes. This one was worn by Pablo. This one was worn by Justin. Ikot pa tayo para you can see everything. This one by Stell. Tama. And grabe, it's so artistic. This one is by Josh. And then this one, Ken. So this one naman is Stell. And this one is Ken. Behind me, yun lang pa ito. That's it. And then, it's a street. I think you get to watch 2 music videos. So, we'll check that out later. Kasi naka-VR din naman siya. I'll show you the whole venue. You have a view of it. So yan siya. This is where you watch. And then sa likod, yung mga items na kanina. there's the wife. The wife is taking her time. Of course, sulitin natin to. Oh, may mga photos pa pala dito. Sige, let's check this out. This one is... ito yung mga pwede mo makita sa VR. We get our action video when we do the VR. Wala pa nila. So, we'll see. Yeah. Guys, madami pa pala. So, paglabas mo dun sa VR, meron pa kasi kung na nag-videoan yung isa. So, meron pa for their additional music video. Ito yung suot nila sa marami pa pala, mahaba pa pala siya kahit kapal. Marami silang paintings. So this is the actual meaning daw. So we saw all your theories and guesses. Now here are the actual meanings and symbols. Simula at wakas ma. Damisis. So meron pa. This one is Dongka. Where do you want to go? Dongka or this one? This one is the Dongka. This one's nice. But I think this one is the merch na ata. So I think she's buying because she wants that shirt. I don't know which one. Pero sige, later na kami dito. This one is Dongka. Yeah, ito yung nandun si Vice Ganda, right? Yung maraming celebrity. Yan. Dito rin yung merch. So, bibili tayo dito. Kasi nung concert, hindi kami nakabili. Nung concert, dahil ang daming tao, hindi kami nakabili. This one is... Time. Okay. Galing kasi pwede kang magsulat. Then right here, mga letters nito. So, per time. This is still the time. Oh, there's TJ and Casey. Gary B. Ganda ko yung mga letters for na. This one naman is quit. So, for quit, take a moment to reflect and choose string that represents the whole of this act. Okay, by picking one, you're not only connecting to your own life. So, spending time wisely, self-acceptance, chasing your dreams. I think we're gonna get wala na. Optimism, self-acceptance, wala na yung ano. Let's see.
Aww.
What are you getting?
So nice.
This one's really nice. Oh. Tapos you get to tie it here. My newfound. My wife is getting love. Talagang hindi lang sa music and hindi lang talaga SB19. Talagang there's a lot for SB19. the music that they're doing. I think dito ko sila patunayan. In this. That's what I'm getting, orange. Naubos na yung green. Grabe, I don't like the green ngayon. This one is for Hopkins. Or 8-ton ball. We also have the shooting for the stars. Okay. So, we warmly invite you to leave your mark literally by adding your fingerprint. Okay. So you can add your fingerprint here. Did it work?
No. I think black is better.
Okay. I'll try it. I'll put mine here. There you go. Can I see yours? So this is the last part. Grabe kakapanood ko lang ng video na to kahapon.
May si Vice.
So here are the merch. Tingnan natin kung tagmo magkano siya, guys. We'll see. So, ito na lang daw yung mga meron. So, this is the shirt. I think they wore this in one of the concerts. Pero, I like the brown one better. Yeah, this white one. The brown one is better. Guys, wala na pala. Display na lang daw.